In this video, we're taking a quick look at the tennis controller in ProScoreboard. Each opponent has controls for score, games, sets, and challenges left, each updated using the plus and minus buttons above and below. Click Serve to move the serve indicator between opponents. When a game wraps up, click End Game to zero out the score and add a game to the winner automatically. Heading into a tiebreak, click Tiebreaker to switch Scoreboard into single-digit scoring mode. The set tracker gives you a running view of the current set and all past sets. The current set is highlighted in red and shows the current games won. To move forward to the next set, click the next set number to save the current set, move it onto the scoreboard, and reset the game counters to 0. Once saved, a set score turns orange. To make a correction, click directly on the orange score you want to change and update it. If you've got radar hardware for tracking serve speed, you can turn that on under Settings. And that's tennis. From tracking games and sets to switching into tiebreak mode, the controller keeps pace with every twist of the match. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.